How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan, and this is
Crystal.
Crystal! Welcome to the Rideshare Hub, Crystal. How you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, Dylan.
How was your weekend? Oh my gosh.
My weekend was actually pretty good, although I did get a flat tire.
Oh, wah, wah, wah. How was your guys' weekend? Let us know in the comment section down below. So today's video, guys, we are going over the best places to drive Uber and Lyft in Los Angeles, California. And so I, brought the expert, Crystal. She is an Uber driver where?
In West LA and Los Angeles, actually, all over Los Angeles.
All over LA. So she drives every single day, every single hour, actually every single minute, guys. She doesn't miss 1 minute of Uber driving in Los Angeles. So if you're thinking about driving in LA, this is the video for you, because we're gonna break down the best places to drive. How many, you have what, 1.5 years of experience driving in LA?
I have a little over 2 years experience driving.
In LA in particular?
Actually in LA, then yeah, 1.5 years.
Okay, so yeah, this is going off experience, pure data, guys. Pure data, pure numbers, the juicy stuff. So yeah, before we get into that, like the video. If you drive for Uber or Lyft, give the video a big thumbs up and smash the subscribe button. Hashtag Starbucks. Also, they gave me a huge straw that's like twice the size of my cup.
And they gave you like the sippy lid. I mean, what's the point of saving the turtles? Like,
have you guys seen that? They start giving us sippy lids now.
Like a sippy cup.
Yeah, I feel like a little baby. I'm supposed to be the daddy.
Which, okay, which I mean, I guess it's like a normal coffee cup.
Yeah, but hot, but like cold coffee out of a sippy cup. Oh, okay. Okay, so we should probably edit that out. All right, guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Where is the best places to drive? We're gonna start with the weekdays, and then we're gonna get into the weekend. So during the weekdays,
during the weekdays, I think the best places to drive during the week, Monday through Friday, are West LA. And West LA is considered like Santa Monica and West Hollywood.
Beverly Hills too, right?
Yeah, and Beverly Hills.
Yeah.
So yes, so all the places in between, like Century City, Beverly Hills, all that. So
why do you think it's the best place to drive in during the week?
During the week, everybody's going to work. So during rush hour in the morning, like 7:30 to 9:30, that's a great time to drive. And then again, when everybody's going home from work, like around, let's see, like 4 to 7, that's also a great time to drive. Yeah. So I would say during the week, those are the best places to drive, as well as LAX, but we'll talk about that a little later.
We'll go to LAX airport. But okay, so West LA, is that, what kind of people are they like? Are they usually like, I don't want to like stereotype people, but are they like the rich kind of like work, or is it more like just everyday kind of people?
So it depends on what you consider rich, but West LA is like the most expensive area in LA. Okay. So those people have great jobs. Usually they work in music or film, or they're like executives. They're the people who live, or like who work in offices. So like young urban professionals. Yeah. And then the older professionals. And so pretty much your everyday working person, that's making a decent amount of money here in LA.
Where would you say is a place that you want to avoid during the week? Where do you get a ride that you're like, oh, I do not want to go there?
Okay, so I try not to work past 8:30 because that's when the sun goes down. But I would say like the Crenshaw area, like Crenshaw, maybe like certain places in downtown LA, like around Skid Row. Definitely want to avoid those places. Yeah,
like is that Inglewood too?
Ooh, like yeah, Inglewood.
That's kind of near LAX. Yeah. Or what about like North Hollywood?
North Hollywood isn't bad. I wouldn't say that's bad.
Or like East LA, like Culver City, like is that east?
That's like a little south from Santa Monica.
Yeah.
So Culver City isn't a terrible area either.
What about like the valley? Like, do you get rides out like far? Like,
that's rare. Usually they're coming from LAX and I'll go to the valley, but the valley is a good place too. It's like a little easier driving in the valley.
Yeah. All right. So that's during the weekday. What do you try to go to the airport, or do you wait until you get a ride there? Like, do you ever drive there and then wait for a ride in the airport queue, or? Yeah,
sometimes I do. Since I'm not too far from LAX, sometimes I will drive over there to Lot C and wait in the queue to pick up some riders. However, usually I get rides over there.
Yeah.
So I get a passenger to take me to LAX, and then I just automatically pick up another passenger there.
How long do you have to wait in the airport lot to get a ride?
Usually it could be as little as like a minute, or it could be as long as like half an hour. Okay. So it depends.
Yeah. And then I don't know about for you, but like for me at my airport, if I get a ride there, usually like I get automatically matched with somebody. Like, it's different than waiting in the lot.
Yeah.
Do you have the same? Is that how it works in LAX?
Yes, that's how it works in LAX. If the waiting lot is full, sometimes it won't give you an automatic passenger. You'll have to go to the lot.
Yeah.
But most of the time, they'll automatically like just give you another passenger that's waiting.
Gotcha. Mm-hmm. Okay. So, yeah, that's pretty much good for weekdays. Weekends.
So weekends,
where do you usually drive on the weekends?
So during the weekends, most of the time I take the weekends off, but if I am driving, then I usually do LAX again. Mm-hmm. LAX is great during the weekends, and then especially Friday nights and like Sunday nights.
At LAX?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then if there's a Dodger game going on, then definitely like, if I'm in the area already of the Dodger Stadium, then I'll pick up some people there.
Los Dodgers.
Yeah.
Dodgers.
Universal Studios is a good one. Yeah. Some people like make a lot of money just going up and down the boulevard.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. Gotcha. Yeah. We already talked about like Manhattan Beach and Hermosa, right?
No, we didn't.
Okay.
So Hermosa and Manhattan Beach, those places are pretty busy like Friday nights.
Yeah.
And sometimes Thursday nights. Mm-hmm. And so like in the evening when everybody's out and about and stuff, that's when those places are cracking.
Have you ever been to Malibu? Do you get rides over there ever or no?
It's rare to get a ride out to Malibu, but it happens every once in a while.
Yeah.
It's not like as busy though.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, if you don't have a ride request, say you drop somebody off, is there a specific spot that you go to, or do you just kind of like chill and park and wait?
So in LA, usually you're not waiting around too much, but if I am waiting, I just kind of like pull over in the neighborhood somewhere.
Yeah.
Or I just try to pull over and not drive around too much because it just wastes gas.
Yeah. So. And then, yeah, I think we're gonna wrap up the video pretty soon. I think you guys have a good idea, but did want to ask, what do you do when you get brought into an area like downtown, like on Skid Row, or an area that is like not ideal? What do you do for that? Do you just like chance it, or do you like turn your app off and drive away, or what do you do for that?
So it's really rare when I'm dropping somebody off around Skid Row. Usually it's like when they're going out to like the arts districts.
Yeah.
So sometimes I'll automatically get a rider who is in the area too, and they're out and about and like they want to ride like back home or whatever. Mm-hmm. But if I do have to wait around, I'm not waiting around very long. I'll just kind of like drive away.
Okay.
Drive out.
Cool. All right, guys, those are the best places to drive. So just to recap, West LA.
Yeah.
That is including West Hollywood, Beverly Hills, and Santa Monica during the weekdays. LAX, weekday, what was it?
And weekday and weekends.
Yeah, weekday and weekends. Is there ever a bad time to drive LAX?
You know, there really isn't a bad time to drive at LAX.
Yeah. Everyone's always coming in and out. And then on the weekends, downtown for the Dodgers games. And then, what else did we say?
Hermosa and Manhattan Beach.
Yeah.
So, you know, Dodger games don't only happen on the weekends, but that's when I have more time. So, I mean, if I'm leaving the game or going to the game, I mean, it's good to pick people up.
Definitely. There you have it, guys. So this video was made in 2019. So if you're watching this in 2020, yeah, maybe we'll make an update video. But as of now, these are the best places. They probably will pretty much generally be the same. But yeah, we'll make an update video probably soon. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that one. Cool.
Give this video a thumbs up.
Yeah, give this video a huge thumbs up, guys, and make sure to tell your mom to go watch this video too, even if she doesn't drive for Uber. Tell her that she needs to watch this video, or else, you know, she's gonna get a frown on her child's face.
She'll be missing out.
Yeah, she'll be missing out. Thank you to sponsor this video, Starbucks. I appreciate you guys so much for watching today's video. Have an awesome day, and we will talk to you all soon.
Bye.
Bye.